So, you just received your Nakto Camel F e-bike. The first thing you're going to want to do is unbox it and unwrap all the packing materials. And it should look like this. You have your frame, user's manual, axle caps, toolkit including hex and crescent wrenches, front wheel, fender, seat, pedals, charging unit. You may have ordered a basket. If you did, you'll have the basket and basket assembly kit. Use the kickstand to stand the bike upright and insert the handlebars into the neck of the frame. Unhitch the front brake system so the front wheel fits properly. Take the front wheel and insert the axle into the front forks. Line up the axle lock into the front forks on both sides. And tighten the axle bolts on both sides with a crescent wrench. Then simply push the axle caps onto either bolt. Now rehitch the brake system. Now let's put the front fender on the front wheel. Remove the headlight bracket and screw. Insert the front fender below the front forks. Now replace the light bracket and screw. Then simply tighten with a Phillips head screwdriver. The front fender supports attach to the bolts at the end of the front forks. Simply screw them down with your Phillips head screwdriver. Now let's attach the light. Simply attach the light to the light bracket and screw it down. Now getting back to the brakes, you want to make sure that the brake shoes aren't dragging against the wheel rim. So, adjust the brake tension here with a 3/16 hex until the brake pads clear the wheel rim. Yet grip tight when applying the brake. Remember, when fully engaged, the brake clutch should be about a 1 to 2 finger space from the handlebar grip. Now insert the seat post into the frame and tighten the quick release latch. And under the seat here is the quick release, giving you easy access to the battery. Now let's attach the pedals. You'll notice there's an L and an R for left and right. Simply screw the pedals into the arms and tighten with a crescent wrench. Now let's attach the basket. First, screw down the basket bracket to the front forks. Then attach the flat bracket to the bracket extending from the neck of the bike. The final step is to attach the grooved bracket to the support bracket under the basket and simply tighten the screws with a Phillips head screwdriver. And if you want to use your basket cover, simply snap it into place. Now let's take a look at the battery. Engage the quick release under the seat. Insert the key and while pushing, turn all the way to the left. Now the battery is unlocked and can be removed. Align the slot to reinsert the battery and push all the way down until it sits flush in the bottom of the housing. Now turn the key to the right to power up the battery. You'll see the LED lights on the right handlebar grip. The red button is your pedal assist on. The right handle grip is your throttle. Here's your rear brake, horn, headlight, bell, gear shift, and front brake. And while we're here, let's go ahead and align the handlebars straight with the front forks and crank down that neck bolt. Now you're all set to go, but let's talk about charging your battery. Plug the charger into the battery body here. You will see a red light go on. A full charge will take between 4 to 6 hours. When you see the green light, you are fully charged. Although, you will need to leave it charging for 1 additional hour before use. However, it is okay to leave it charging overnight. If you have any additional questions, use the scan code to access our website. Okay, you guys, have fun!